Hi friends, myself Aniket Renavikar, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. In the program MCOM Valuation of Real Estate, the topic is a advanced surveying. In that we can learn about the photography in this lecture. Photogrammetry is the first remote sensing technology ever developed in which geometric properties about objects are determined from photographic images. Historically, photogrammetry is as old as modern photography itself and can be dated to mid 19th century. In the simplest example, the three-dimensional coordinates of points on an object are determined by measurements made in two or more photogrammic images taken from different positions. Common points are identified on each image. A line of sight or ray can be constructed from the camera location to the point on the object. It is the intersection of these rays, triangulation, that determines the three-dimensional location of the point. More sophisticated algorithms can exploit other information about the scene that known a priori. For example, symmetries in some cases allowing reconstructions of 3D coordinates from only one camera position. Photogrammetry is a highly specified science of making measurements on photograms in order to have desired end products, such as the construction of planimetric and topographic maps, the determination of the face position of objects, the elevation of timber stands, the classification of soils, the interpretation of geology, the acquisition of military intelligence, the preparation of composite pictures of the ground, mapping the ocean floor, etc. Photogrammetry is used in different fields such as topographic mapping, architecture, engineering, manufacturing, quality control, police investigation, and geology, and as well as archaeologists to quickly produce plans of large or complex sites, and by meteorologists as a way to determine the actual wind speed of a tornado where objective weather data cannot be obtained. It is also used to combine live action with computer generated imagery in movie post-production. So, photogrammetry is used for various uses. Photogrammetry uses methods from many disciplines including optics and projective geometry. The data model on the right shows what type of information can go into and come out of photogrammetric methods. The 3D coordinates define the location of object points in the 3D space. The image coordinates define the location of the object points images on the film or an electronic imaging device. The exterior orientation of a camera defines its location in space and its view direction. The inner orientation defines the geometric parameters of the imaging process. The focal length of the lens, but can also include the description of lens distortions. Further, additional observations play an important role with scale bars, basically a known distance of 2 points in space or known fixed points. The connection to the basic measuring units is created. Each of the four main variables can be input or an output of the photogrammetric method. Photogrammetry has defined as the art, science, and technology of obtaining reliable information about the physical objects and the environmental through processes of recording, measuring, and interpreting photographic images and pattern of recorded radiant electromagnetic energy and other phenomena. Photogrammetric techniques depending on the available material. Metric camera or stereo pairs, shape of recorded object, control information, and the required result to your 3D accuracy, different photogrammetric techniques can be applied. Depending on the number of photographs, three main categories can be distinguished. That is, first is mapping from a single photograph, stereo photogrammetry, mapping from several photographs. So these are the photogrammetry, and there are various uses of photogrammetry. So friends, today we stop here. Today we learn about the advanced surveying, in that the point is a photogrammetry. Its uses is different, uses in different fields, and what is the actual processes of photogrammetry. So friends, today we stop here. These are all with the reference to the self-instruction material of MCOM Valuation of Real Estate, prepared by Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So friends, today we stop here. Any doubt, any query regarding this topic, you can directly mail on following mail ID: cde_multi@unishivaji.ac.in. Thank you very much.